namaste, welcome to my channel Greetaro. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support guys, means a lot. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow, okay? And the links of the decks that I'll be using in this video will also be listed in the description box, okay? So the topic for today is your key to success. What is your key to success? That is going to be the reading for today, okay? So we have three photos, three keys here, three different color keys. So the first group, for the first group we have this green color key, okay? For the second group we have this golden key, and for group number 3 we have this brown color key, okay? So close your eyes, relax, let go of everything, just don't think anything and just connect with your higher self, connect with your divine and just select a key intuitively, okay? So take your time guys, pause the video if you want to, okay? And yeah, so in the description box I'll be providing the timestamps so you can watch the video accordingly. And this is our general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind guys. So I'm going to start with group number 1, okay? Thank you. Hello group number 1, if you chose this green color key then this is your reading, okay? So your key to success, I feel for this pile, is when you trust your heart. That is what, when you trust your heart and go with it, when you trust, yeah, this is for me, and you just go, and you know, you will feel it in your heart, yeah, this is what I want to do, this is what, you know, this is what is meant for me. And when you feel like that, and when you feel it from your heart, and if you start doing that, you will get that success. So whatever the case may be, if it's a marriage, if it's a relationship, if it's your job, if it's your career, if you want to be successful, just operate from your heart center. Listen to your heart. You don't have to listen to other people, I would say. Just listen to your heart. If your heart says yes, if you feel, you know, when you see something, oh yeah, this is what I want to do, you know, it will come, you know that feeling, right? So that is what if it's your ego, you will be like overthinking about it and you will not be sure about it, right? But this is something, you know, this thing you will know from your heart. And I feel you are like heart-centered people, where you listen to your heart, and if you're not listening to your heart, this is like literally saying that listen to your heart and follow your dreams. That is when you will be successful. I'm getting that energy here. So let's see with this group. For the we have the soul journey oracle card. So let's see, start with this one for my group number 1. Okay, we have okay, I'll shuffle again, let's see. Okay, we have the green color again here, doubt. Okay, there is no space for doubt, so self-doubt will not work for you. So when you are confident in yourself, when you trust your heart center, you know, I release the need to know all the answers. So you know, it's not about the destination, it's not about the outcome, it's the journey. You need to enjoy the journey. Sometimes, you know, answers will not be there, you know, you sometimes you have to enter an unknown territory. So that is what I'm getting here. So you need to believe in the unknown, you need to believe in the divine. When you do that, and when you like, yeah, you're releasing that, yeah, I don't need to know anything right now, I'm just gonna follow this path because this is what my heart is guiding me, and just you follow that path without any doubt, without any self-doubt, without any you know, when you attach to the outcome, then things becomes difficult because we self-doubt, we overthink about it, right? So there is no need to doubt, because when you doubt, that is when I feel our success get delayed, you know, when you doubt, because that is when things get delayed. That because we have to learn that, you know, we have to let go of that self-doubt and move forward with confidence. So when you move forward with confidence, when you trust yourself, you know, that is when you will get the most success. I'm getting here, okay? So yeah, That is what. And we have the green color. So green color is very important. Maybe green color might be lucky color also. Maybe you can use green aventurine or something like that. And you know, you can connect with nature. When you connect with nature also, I'm getting, you will get your answers. You don't have to know everything, you know, but but I'm sure that you will get your answers also when you need it the most, you know. You can connect with the divine, and when you connect, you will get your answer. You don't have to worry about anything. I'm getting, worry will not bring you anything. So it's time to trust your heart center and go with it. Trust your heart, follow your passion, follow your, you know, if you feel that person, yeah, you can, you know, your heart is important here. Just trust your heart. That will give you the most success. So don't trust anyone else, trust your heart. That is what divine angels have for you. That is the key for you, right? So let's see what else for my group number 1 people. What is that? Okay, we have this. Look, what was I saying? Heart awakening. You know, heart center is the main thing. When you open your heart center, when you follow your dreams, you know, sometimes we know it, you know, in your heart you know that yes, this is what I want, but we doubt whether it will bring, you know, the money we need, the success we need. We doubt. You don't have to doubt. You just have to accept it and follow it. When you follow it, the doors will automatically open. That is what I'm getting here, okay? Awaken to acceptance and divine love, give and receive in balance. When you do that, when you open that heart center, you will be able to receive what you give. I'm getting here, okay? So just that is the thing here. You need to follow your heart, okay? That is what I'm getting. When you open your heart and follow your heart without any doubt and move confidently with it, you will be successful. Okay, group number 1. What else? Yeah, we have the green color again. You know, look at the leaves here. Okay, regeneration. Look. So yeah, you're growing, you're becoming stronger. So in the past, I feel like you have gone through a lot, you know, now you're growing, new things are coming your way. So you need to trust this process, okay? When you trust your heart, when you give your concerns to the divine, when you don't try to control anything or anyone. Maybe you are controlling yourself. You want to do something and you're not doing it because you're afraid of failure. You don't have to be afraid of failures, right? Failures is a part of our life, right? Failure, success, you know, yeah. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you win, you know. After failure, success will follow, right? So yeah, that is what. You don't have to be afraid of failures. Just go with your heart, because that is when you will be able to have all the success, and you will be happy. When you follow your bliss, when you follow your passion, you will be happy. You will be growing to a much stronger person. I'm getting here, okay? So something new with this, like 46 number we have, it's add ups to 10 and 1. 10 is like the ending. So I feel for many of you have ended a cycle. Now it's like a new beginning for you, and then in this new beginning, I'm sure you will follow your heart. When you follow your heart, you will be very successful. That is what I'm getting for you guys right now, okay? Anyways, in the past you have made a lot of mistakes, you have learned from it. Now it's time to follow your heart, okay? So that is what it's coming here. So let's see what else with this tarot cards we have. The first card is like temperance, balance. So balance is very important, you know. I don't know, I'm getting like eat green leafy vegetables like spinach or something. That will be very helpful for you guys. Do meditation, that will be helpful for you guys, okay? When you're balanced, okay? When you're balanced, when you're not overthinking, when you're not operating from your mind, you know, when your mind is like overthinking, that time things will not be easy for you guys. When you overthink, things will get rough for you guys. So it's important to maintain a balance with this temperance. When you're balanced, when you're eating healthy, when you're doing everything in moderation, things will come to you, okay? When you're, you know, look at this woman has book, she's learning, she's like meditating, she's having fun, she's also eating she's not like that kind of, like we have this carrot also there, right? So yeah, eating vegetables, drinking water, okay? Yeah, so yeah, and you know, listening to your body, having, you know, not overworking, not stressing too much, balancing yourself yourself well, meditating, relaxing, you know, even though you sometimes we work a lot, so I feel you need to take breaks also, right? So that will be like, when you are in balance, that is when you will get the most success. When you're balanced, when you're not overworking yourself or procrastinating also. It can be like that, you know, to if you procrastinate, then things will not work out. When you overwork, then things will not work out. So everything should be in balance for you. That is, you know, when you feel like, yes, I need to take rest, go ahead and take rest. When you feel like I need to work, just go and work. So it's all should be from your heart. You know, your heart is the thing I'm getting here. Okay, I feel for many of you, you need to learn also. If you feel like you need to learn, just go learn. If you feel like taking online classes, go for it. Okay, that will also be helpful for you guys. But definitely balance is needed for you guys. Yeah, look, this will not work here. The devil energy is also, sometimes you overthink a lot, you self-doubt. With this doubt, you need to release that kind of energy. You, for so many people, I feel you are, many of you are so attached to the outcome, to the result, or maybe you are like feeling, what if I do this and I fail? What will other people think about it? You know, that kind of energy, you need to let go of that. When you let go of that, then only you will find balance. So you need to find balance within yourself. When you find balance within yourself, then no one can stop your success. So that is what important, you know, divine masculine, divine feminine to coming together with balance, right? And be curious about things, learn more things, you know, try to do things differently. If something fails, try to do something differently. Don't give up. Maintain a balance. That is what I'm feeling here for you guys. Okay, so but yeah, the main, I feel if you are obsessed with something, if you are like overeating, everything in moderation for you guys. Everything in moderation is needed here. That is your key to success. Whatever it is, everything should be in moderation. You should trust your heart center. You shouldn't doubt yourself. Okay, maintain a balance in your life. That will give you a lot of success. Okay, so let's see what else is there. We have to, oh, we got 3 cards here, so I'll be taking that. Look, Hanged Man. Sometimes you definitely feel stuck, right? Because things sometimes, you know, we are so impatient. So impatience also will not work for you guys. You have to be patient. Okay, yeah, look, lot of worry energy here. Yeah, look, balance. Again, I'm talking the main, if you want to be successful, the key to success is to maintain a balance. Okay, don't overdo things. Sometimes you overdo things. Maybe if you start working, you just keep on working. If you're stressing, you just keep on stressing, and it was not gonna work. You need to keep a balance. Okay, overthinking will not give you the result here. Okay, so you need to meditate, you need to ground your energy, you need to balance yourself, use crystals, or use or just write whenever you're feeling so worried. Look, they have these books here, right? So books is journaling will help you guys. I feel like that, journal your thoughts and release it. And with the 6 of Pentacles, what you give, you will get when you're in balance, when you're in the most balance. Look, the color also, look here, we have green here, we have green here. Look, the green color here, we have green color, you know. So yeah, everywhere there is green color here, right? So green color is very important. So connect with nature. Whenever you're feeling very stressed, connect with nature, ground your energy, relax, let go of all the worries, and you know, think, you know, you will get, you know, with this Hanged Man energy, you will get a different perspective. If you're feeling stuck, you will get a different perspective when you connect with nature. Instead of worrying, instead of overstressing, write down your feelings. That will help you to release, you know, the things that is not under your control. So give it to divine, whatever you cannot control. Let that self-doubt go. I feel this pile has a lot of self-doubt. Even though you want to do something and you know what is your passion, then do you self-doubt. Doubt will not give you anything. Okay, so that is what this reading is about. You need to trust your heart, go with it, be confident, balance, keep the balance. Everything should be in moderation for you guys. And when you're in moderation, when you're in balance, when you feel balanced, when your chakras are balanced, okay, meditation will help you guys. When you're overthinking, nothing will come out of it. Okay, remember that. This devil energy and this 9 of Swords, lot of worry for this pile. If you are attached to the outcome, things will not happen, because you'll be always thinking about the future and you'll not be able to concentrate on the path you are. You know, you'll be stressing about it. Instead of stressing, work on that, release that. feelings and move forward with your passion. Okay, so that is what I have to say. Okay, so with this last card we have the Sacred Traveler, and we'll be doing charms also, guys. So let's see what is your last card here. Okay, so we got one card. What is, oh, we got two cards. So view from above, you know, with this Hanged Man and view from above, get the bigger picture. You know, sometimes, yeah, look, a breakthrough is at hand. So yeah, sometimes we feel like, oh, there is no solution for this, oh, what if, you know, sometimes you need to, like this Hanged Man is seeing from a different perspective. You need to see from a different perspective. When you see that, you know, things will be much easier. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. You need to get the bigger picture. You need to view from above. Okay, and when you do that, that is what I'm getting. Just listen to your heart, because your heart will give you answers, and go with it, follow it, change your, you know, you don't have to prove anything to anyone. I'm getting that. For some of you, you want to prove something. Oh, I you know, you're like, I'm gonna do this, this is my passion, and I will prove them that that this is working, you know, like that. Let go of that kind of energy. You know, don't have to think, you don't have to prove anything to anyone. You just need to follow your bliss, follow your passion, and just be patient. Okay, and work on it. When you're balanced, that is when you will get your success. A breakthrough is at hand when you do that. Okay, when you change your perception, okay, about things. You don't have to fit in the society. No need to do that. You just need to follow your bliss, just need to follow your passion. Okay, right? So yeah, that is what I'm getting here for you guys. So let's see what the charms have to add to this. Yeah, independence, trusting your heart again. 4 you have the stability. You will get the stability when you trust your heart, when you are balanced, when you don't overthink things, and whenever you feel that you are in a problem, solutions will come when you change, you know, change your perception. See, you know, you need to see things differently. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, yeah. For some of you, you need to work on your heart center. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you, you are not trusting yourself, you are not trusting your heart, you're not trusting your passion. That is the problem here. That is what you need to completely let go of, that overthinking, let go of that worries. You know, you don't have to prove anything to anyone. You just have to prove, you know, to yourself only. Remember that. Okay, you are not bound to do that. So that is what I'm getting. Just remember that and just go with it. Okay, just trust yourself here. You need to have that utter, you know, you need to just trust yourself and the universe, because universe will give you what you want. Maybe it will be quite different, but definitely you will get it. Okay, but you need to release need to know everything. You need to release that control. You cannot control that, right? You need to understand that. Okay, you need to let go of that worry. You need to release that completely. Don't be afraid of failures. That is what I'm getting here. Don't be afraid of failures, because, you know, sometimes we fall, but we need to get up and go again, move forward. That is what life is. You know, life has to teach us so many things. Life is not going to be a straight road. There will be bumps, right? So remember that. We have 4. Look at that. 8 number is all about the abundance, prosperity, and we have 4 stability. You will get that, but you need to trust your heart. And with this green color I think is your color, guys. Then 5, changes are coming, but you need to let go of that worry, balance yourself, ground yourself. Okay, heal yourself. Don't overthink. Don't be so, maybe in the past you failed and you're worrying about that. What if I fail again? Don't think like that. Just be confident that yes, I'm going to do this, and whatever happens, I'm going to do it, and I'm just going to follow this path, because this is what my heart wants. Like that kind of energy. You need to be in that kind of energy. I'm getting that. Okay, with this 6 and 3, look, we have this 3 number. It's all about expansion. It's all about growth, right? And 6 is all about responsibilities. There will be responsibilities, but I'm sure you will be able to handle everything, because divine will give only the things that we'll be able to handle. They will not give more than that. Okay, remember that. With this cat energy, you're going to be independent. You're going to be very curious about things, and just go. You know, you don't have to follow the crowd. right? You can go alone and be happy also. You maybe you want to do something unique. You're meant to do something unique, not to do the same things that the other people are doing. Just go with that. You don't have to follow the crowd. D, O and E here. Okay, so let's see more letters here, you guys. And when we worry a lot, you know what happens is we are not able to listen to our heart. That is what for some of you, your heart center is closed because you're overthinking a lot. You need to let go of that. When you let go of that thinking, when you write down your emotions, when you just let it go, let it release, that is when you will get your answers. That is when you will get clarity. Okay, that is when you believe in yourself, when you're confident. You need to work on that. Okay, and when you work on that, I'm sure no one can stop your success, right? You're going to be a pro. Okay. Do we have? Okay, P. Yeah, for some of you, law of attraction will be working, so you need to work on law of attraction. We had a journal also, yeah, right? So your law of attraction is important, okay? So whenever you are using law of attraction, remember to believe in it, okay? Sometimes we write things and we don't believe in it. Then law of attraction, how will, you know, you need to believe in it. You need to work for it. You need to believe the, you know, when we want something in life, you need to, you know, you feel that thing, you know, yes, I'm there, you know, then only you will get it. So remember that you're manifesting things, you're using law of attraction, but at the same time, if you keep worrying, how is that going to manifest? It will not manifest. The worry is going to manifest, right? So remember that, okay? Just because we have this doubt energy here, maybe you are in this negative environment also where you are not able to listen because of other people. So you need to meditate, ground your energy. That is what here, or connect to Mother Earth. That is where you will find your answers. I'm getting, okay? So yeah, that's all for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you chose this golden key, then this is your reading. So what is your key to success? With this golden key, I feel when you like give your wisdom to other. So whatever you learn, you know, learning and teaching, that kind of energy I'm getting here. Whenever you learn something, you give it, when you give that knowledge to others, when you share your wisdom to others, when you share your knowledge to others, that is when you will be very, very successful. That is your key to success. For some of you, definitely connecting with the divine, balancing your chakras will give you a lot of success. I feel like that when you connect, because I feel for this pile, your intuition is very strong, so you can connect with the divine easily, okay? Or when you work with the universe, that is also I'm feeling here, you will get the most success when you trust in the universe, when you believe in yourself, and when you learn books. Learning is also very important. Learning and teaching, that is what I'm getting. When you learn and teach, maybe your teachers, I don't know, that path might give you success, or whatever, you know, in your life. Generally success means different to different people, right? So yeah, whatever it is, I'm getting sharing your knowledge with other people, sharing your wealth with other people will give you success, sharing your happiness with other people will give you success. I feel this pile is meant to be enlightened, okay? I don't know, with this golden key I'm getting, you will be enlightened. You are working towards it. You will be happy with small things, and I feel you need to be very grateful of all the things that you receive in your life. That will give you more happiness, more abundance in your life when you are grateful for all the things you have, okay? And when you are helping other people, then you will get a lot of abundance and success in your life. That is what I'm getting for this people. Let's see what else for group number 2. Okay, we have trust card and abundance card. Look, so when you trust your inner, I was talking about that, right? When you are like very trusting your inner self, inner voice, that is when you will be very, very abundant. That is when you will be very, very successful. So just you need to follow your wisdom, your own wisdom. You're very wise people, trust that. Okay, that is what this is saying. You need to trust your gut feeling. You need to, you need to trust your instincts. So that will give you a lot of success. Whatever career you want to do, whatever relationship you want in your life, just trust your own self. You don't have to trust anyone else. You just need to trust your own feelings. So if you're meditating every day, if you have that spiritual practice, then definitely you will be very, very successful. So I feel for many of you, you need to maintain that routine also. Self discipline is also important to you guys, I feel like that. So because you will have to learn a lot of things also, learn books, and I feel that kind of energy where you will be learning, you will have a lot of knowledge. Knowledge will bring you a lot of wealth, a lot of success. Yeah, knowledge is your key to success. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. Knowledge. Yeah, knowledge. I feel this pile loves to learn also. Or maybe you will get a lot of divine knowledge from the universe, when you open your crown chakra. I feel this pile is meant to open the crown chakra. If you haven't opened already, I feel you will. So start meditating, guys. That will bring you a lot of goodness. But yeah, while help, you're meant to help other people, and when you help other people, your blessings will be doubled. That is what I'm getting here. Whatever field you are in, you are meant to help other people. Okay, it might not be through money, it can be advice, it can be a healing energy that you give to other people, or it can be like doing some service to other people. Okay, that will anyways, it will be like you will be helping other people, and that will bring you a lot of success here. So let's see what else for my group number 2 people. Forgiveness. Okay, forgiveness here. You're on the path of light, love, and forgiveness. So forgive everyone. Don't hold on to anything. Okay, so that is not good for you. Forgive everything. Let go of the things that is not serving you. Let go of the anger. If anything is left, you need to work on that. Let go of your past and be in the present moment, and work for your future. But that doesn't mean you have to be so be in that future. No, just plan for your future and just be in the present moment. Being in the present moment will give you a lot of success. Okay, trust trusting universe and believing in small things, believe in miracles. And when you start believing in miracles, you will see the miracles happening in your life. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, forgiveness. That doesn't mean that you have to forgive that you have to call that, talk to them, not that, but forgive them and move on with your life, because that will hold you in your success. So this forgiveness is important, because you're following that path. I feel for many of you might be light workers also. I don't know, I'm getting that vibe also. You're meant to bring light to other people, right? When you bring light to other people, that is when you will get a lot of success. So you need to do that for yourself, right? You need to let go of all the people, all the situation that is not in your favor, that is making you go backward, and that energy is not good for you. So let it go. That will forgive everyone and just move forward. Okay, I feel that will bring you a lot of success. Forgiveness, forgiving other people for who they are, and just think that it was a lesson, okay, that was needed for your own growth, for your own expansion, and just move forward with it. Okay, so let's see one more card with this pile, so with this deck. Let's see what else. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this. Okay, I'm not gonna take this too. Okay, because it just like that, so that's fine. Okay, so yeah, so devotion. Okay, so trust your spiritual guidance. You need to trust the spiritual guidance. Also, if you believe in Lord Krishna, he is with you. If you believe in Master Jesus, he is with you. They are guiding you, and they are guiding you on the path of success. They are taking you to the correct path. So listen to them. They are with you. They are giving you the guidance. So if you do some spiritual practice, just follow that. Okay, that will help you a lot. Okay, doing a meditation or praying, that will give you a lot of goodness. You will get that that wisdom. You will get that answers to all of your questions when you do that. So pray, guys. So praying will help you a lot, I feel like that. Okay, your commitment, you have been very committed. Okay, so yeah, so whatever you are doing, you're doing it with your heart, you're believing in yourself. And when you do that, yes, I see that this pile is doing that, right? So yes, don't worry, guys, you will get the success, because Lord Krishna is listening to that. Okay, they are helping you with their maybe you are going you're in stage of forgiving people right now, so it's a little bit tough, but you will do it, I know. And just because I feel for this pile, there's a lot of abundance coming your way. Okay, so believe in yourself. Okay, trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. Wow, you are loved. You have a divine connection. As I was saying, you have a connection with the divine. So trust that. Trust that. Completely let go of all other things that is stopping you. Don't worry. You don't have to worry about anything. Just trust it and follow your spiritual path. I feel like this pile is spiritual. Or even if you're not, I feel you will get into spirituality. I feel like that you will get into it. Definitely, I feel like that. Okay, yeah, be in the present moment. Okay, so that is also important for you guys. As I said, to be in the present moment, we have book, again we have knowledge. Knowledge is very important to you guys. So whatever you will learn, you will teach to other people, whatever it is, that is what will bring you a lot of success. And forgiving people, and just keep and moving on with your life. Don't hold to that anger or resentment. That will not help you in any way. Okay, so just to the sea means, as this girl is like she's not worrying, she's happy here, she's relaxed, she's reading a book, and she's not thinking when she will reach the destination, right? So you also have to do that only. You just have to keep working on this path, because this is working, guys. You are on the right path, I have to say this. And be relaxed and look at the number 7. 7 is all about the knowledge, knowledge number. It's all about spirit. It is also about a spiritual, it is a very spiritual number, right? So yeah, just keep on moving, keep on moving forward. Don't stress, guys. If you have any worries, don't Lord Krishna is saying no need to worry. You have been recognized. They recognize you, guys. Right? So yeah, that is what I'm getting for this group. Let's see what else. Okay, we got here. Okay, 7 of Swords. Maybe for some of you, in the past you had relationships that were not good for you. There were negative people who put a lot of self-doubt into you. You need to let go of that kind of people, that kind of thinking. Okay, I'm getting that. Maybe there were people who gossiped about you, so that's why you need to forgive them, because they were just a part of your own growth, your own expansion. It was maybe your karma was balancing, so you need to just let go of them. Okay, maybe it's a habit of yours, you need to let go of that. Maybe self-sabotage. For some of you, I'm getting that, so you don't have to do that. Believe in yourself and keep moving forward. Okay, yeah, Hermit. When you spend some alone time with yourself meditating, that is when you will get all your answers, and you have that light within yourself, and this light will help a lot of people, a lot of other people. You're meant to give this light to other people. So yes, you are meant to have a very abundant life. When you will have that life, then only you will be able to give hope to other people, isn't it? Right? So that is what. So you need to let go of all these things, this 7 of Swords energy that you have, that anger, anything if you have about yourself, that guilt or anything that you need to let go of. It's time to let go of that. It's time to give it into the fire and just forgive others, forgive yourself, and just keep on moving in this spiritual path, because this path will give you a lot of abundance. That is what I'm getting here. Oh my god, a lot of cards came out. Wait, I will just shuffle again. We want 2 more cards. Okay, yeah, look, Queen of Pentacles. You're meant to be this Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is a very mature energy. She balances her business, she balances her family, she takes correct decisions. So you're meant to be this Queen of Pentacles. You'll be giving, you will be very kind, compassionate at as well as very mature also, right? So a motherly figure, that is what I'm getting here. You are meant to give light to other people, you're meant to help other people, okay? You are, maybe for some of you will have a business, and that will help other people. You might provide services to other people, that will that will give wisdom. You will maybe sharing something, maybe you do some online courses or something, maybe you teach online, maybe you are a teacher, okay? That can also be the thing. Or maybe you teach about spirituality, okay? That can also be the thing, you can be that also. Whatever it is, like a little bit related to spirituality, and this will where you have to believe in yourself, in your own path, and be in the present moment. Even if it's not a spiritual career, you need to trust your wisdom, because you have a lot of wisdom to give to other people. But definitely it is about knowledge, lot of knowledge. You have a lot of understanding, you get a lot of divine knowledge. I'm getting, you understand people for who they are. You are like a, you detect people. Your intuition is very strong. You're like a lie detector, I would say. You know who is like right for you, who is wrong for you. That kind of energy also I'm getting here. So that is why you will make good decisions. So I feel you will be successful when you will be doing a home business or something like that also is coming through for some of you, okay? Definitely you can be anything, but you can achieve success in any field. But the main thing is like trusting your own intuition and knowledge is very important to you guys. And if you have been praying for something very, very like, and believing in it, yes, you have been recognized, guys. You will get it. Don't worry, because yes, abundance. We got the card of abundance, right, for you guys. One more card though. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you have gone through a lot of heartbreak with this 2-3. Yeah, that is what you need to forgive a lot of people here. Maybe you have gone through a lot, like narcissistic people, and at that time you didn't have knowledge about it, right? You didn't have the wisdom. You were not on the spiritual path, but now you're a different person. You have transformed a lot. You have been working on yourself, right? For some of you, you will be working on yourself. And anyways, I see that you are moving away from this heartbreak, this people, the negative people who were putting you down. You're moving away because you have this wisdom now. I feel like that. The only thing is you need to trust yourself. You will be moving away from these people. When you move away from these people, when you connect with yourself. So maybe for some of you, you were like a dark night of the soul. You have gone through that, and that is when your spiritual awakening happened. And now, yeah, for some of you, definitely you're maybe going through a very not so good phase of your life, but definitely I see you'll be moving into this Queen of Pentacles energy, right? Because look, we have the Judgment card. The angels are with you. They are giving you a new path, new direction, right? And you know it. So just trust it and move forward with it. Okay, yeah, look, ascending the mountain. Keep going forward. Move forward with it. Keep moving forward. You know this path. This path is not going to be very easy. You will have to learn. You have to work hard. You have to do these things. But definitely, this will be worth taking. This path will be worth taking. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, keep moving forward, guys. You will get your success. Yeah. So let's see the charms here for you guys and the letters. Group number 2. What is your key to success? Okay, so if you have doubt that you are on the right on track, yes, you are right on track. Don't stress about that. You're going good. Okay, don't hang on to the past things. Don't hang on to the past things. Don't hang on to the past things. Forgive people. Yeah, you need to fix something about your past. Maybe you need to forgive. That is what is like. I feel that is what is the obstacle. The past. You're thinking a lot about your past, about your people who have done wrong to you. You need to let go of them. Okay, let go of them. Completely release them. Don't hold that anger inside you, because that will not work. That is the main obstacle in your path. I feel like that. But you're doing good. Keep on moving forward. Music is important. Okay, mic and music. So through music you can connect with the divine. That is the first thing. And for some of you, definitely you want to sing songs. Just go for it, because this is your path. Keep moving forward. Obstacles will be there, but definitely you take it. Maybe in the past, look guys, look, oh my god, look, we have the charm of Krishna. Oh my god, I'm getting goosebumps here now. Oh God, look at that. Even if you believe or not, if you believe in him or not, this energy is with you, guiding you. They are helping you, okay? So they are with you, okay? Lord Krishna is with you, guys. This energy is with you, protecting you. They know what you have been going, what they know, you know, they understand you well, they recognize you well, they are listening to your prayers. You're loved unconditionally, guys. Okay, wow, beautiful. Beautiful, that is beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, look, angels, fairies, all are with you. You're not protected, you're the protected child. We have this shell, you know, you need to come out of your comfort zone. So for some of you, definitely you're worrying whether this is worth sharing. If you're thinking like that, whether can I share this, is it, will it help anyone? Don't think like that. Share, come out of your cocoon, come out of your comfort zone, guys. That is also important here. Express yourself. Expressing, communication is also important for you. When you come, as I said, when you share your knowledge, when you share yourself, when you sing that song, don't hide yourself. Come out of your shell. Look, love is the main thing. You're loved. Playful energy. You need to have fun also, okay? Yeah, have fun. Watch whenever you're stressed, eat some popcorn, have fun. Look, infinity symbol. Yeah, things have been not so easy for you guys in the past with this infinity symbol, but definitely you are meant to have infinite possibilities. You can be anything you want, okay? If you feel like it, go for it. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Look, communication field might be important for you, you know, communicating yourself through words, through songs, through writing, whatever it is. It's the thing, through knowledge, you know, through your wisdom, giving wisdom to other people, okay? Yeah, transformation. You're transforming, you're letting go of all that thing. The last part you have to do is, right, the forgiveness part. That is what is stopping you from achieving the most success of your life. That is what I'm getting here, okay? Like, you're at the last, you have been working, but you're like, why this is not coming? I've been trying so hard. I think this forgiveness part is the thing that is stopping you, okay? So work on that. Look, independent, very psychic also. Trust your intuition. Okay, first part also got this, but definitely this, for you, I feel you're like very psychic, very intuitive people. Oh, we got the cash bag here. We have the abundance also, right? So yeah, money wise, don't stress, guys. Even if you don't have right now, in the future you will have it. Okay, you have so much of divine presence, you know, angels, if archangels, angels, all are around you. Love yourself, okay? Work on yourself, work on self-love, work on forgiveness, okay? You know, some hope, oh, no, I don't know that. It's like something about that meditation I saw somewhere that might be helpful for you guys. Oh, I don't know. I don't know about it. It's like a yeah, hope on, no, something like that. I don't know. That might be you know, it's all about forgiveness, that kind of meditation. I think that might be helpful for you guys. I'm sorry if I said wrong, but something like that. You know, that might be, I don't know, I'm getting it, I don't know, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see. T-O-B, T, we have two T's. J, so let's add some more letters. I, F, B, A, S, Y. Oh, you're going to be busy, okay guys? You will be so busy. That's good. So I feel if you are doing some business or some services you provide, okay, I feel you will be very busy. Or maybe if you make content or do YouTube or something, you'll be very busy. Like a lot of opportunities I feel for you guys. You will get it. Yeah, you're getting there. You're close. I feel like that. Wow, guys, very beautiful. You have worked a lot though. I get it. Your past energy is like you have worked a lot. You have endured a lot. You have done a lot of work also. But yeah, a little more work is needed. Little more forgiveness. Little more healing, you know. But I feel you are reaching there. You are maybe you need to forgive a father figure, you know, because we got that. Maybe for someone it's like a father figure here, you know, that can also be the case, because we don't have tea, but we have like, you know, like we don't have a tea though, but we have like father, right? That's fine. Yeah. Anything else? Your ear. Okay, something about ear. Maybe you're like clairaudient or something like that, so maybe through someone you will get your messages also, I'm getting here. Okay, or maybe your thoughts, maybe you hear something, or maybe some good news is coming. I don't know, with this ear I'm getting that also. Some gift. Oh god, nice, I like it. Okay, so that's it guys. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 3. If you chose this brown key, I feel with this brown color is like related to the earth. It's all related to the stability, structure, right? When you're grounded, that is when you will be very, very successful. When you're organized, when you like when you don't operate through your mind a lot, that can be the thing. Or maybe when you write a strategy or something, like journal things or organize things, that will be very helpful for you guys. I feel like that. Maybe this group is like you tend to overthink a lot or forget things maybe, so you need to write it down. I'm getting that. Write it down. And yes, you're meant to be stable with this like very earthly energy I'm getting here. You're meant to be stable. For you, stability is very important, I guess. But yeah, sometimes you are like you tend to do many things at a time. Maybe, I don't know, I'm getting that vibe where you do things, so just maybe you try to do 2 to 3 things at the same time. So I feel just concentrate on one thing and do that, and then go for the next thing. I'm getting that also. Yeah, don't be organized. That is what I'm getting. Okay, for some of you, I feel like you need to declutter things, right? A lot of things. Maybe you maybe you in your house there are a lot of things that is not needed. Like lot of clutter. I don't know why. Maybe because of that your emotions are also like, your thinking is also like not so organized, because a lot is going on your mind. So you need to organize that. Maybe you need to organize your office space, or maybe you need to maybe if it's messy, I don't know, if it's messy, just organize it. That will help you a lot, I'm getting here. Okay, organizing, scheduling things, that will be helpful for you guys. Or for some of you, your creative ideas also might help. Maybe if you are in a creative field, if you are in into creativity, that can also help, I'm getting. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, organization. I don't know why I'm getting this, organized or declutter. Maybe you have a lot of clutter. Okay, you need to declutter. Okay, fine. For group number 3, what else? Shuffle. Okay, we got this one card. Okay, the first card came as guilt. I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul growth. Okay, for maybe some of you, it's like, yeah, as I said, lot of thinking, lot of, sometimes you need to make, you don't know what you're thinking. Sometimes you just like look at this picture, it's like going deep. You start with one thing and then you think 2 things, then 3 things, 4 things, 5 things, and it like goes, and it is going to be like endless. You get into that a hole. So yeah, maybe that is what overthinking, lot of overthinking. And because of that, sometimes when you write things, when you organize things, you will not be able, that is what is coming. I don't know why I'm getting that also. For some of you, definitely I feel like that you need to keep write something, what time you have to do this, when you have to do this, because I feel everything is very mixed here, very messy here. Your thoughts are very messy. So that is what I'm getting. You need to write it down. Okay, whenever you're feeling very messy, write it down. Write it down. That will help you a lot, I'm getting here. And with this guilt card, maybe for some of you, definitely you have a belief system, a limited belief that is stopping your growth. Okay, maybe it's a belief from the society or from your parents that has been your subconscious mind that is stopping your growth, success. Okay, so you need to let go of that. Okay, for some of you, you need to like subconscious reprogramming, you need to work on that, I'm getting here. Maybe for some of you, in the past you might have failed a lot, or and you have that limited belief that whatever you do, you will not be successful. You need to let go of that limited belief. That is what they are saying. When you think that, whenever you start something, if you think that I'll fail, then of course you will fail. You don't have to think like that, right? You need to be like confident and think, yes, I will be able to do this. I'm going to do it anyways. Even if I fall once, I'll get up and do it, right? That kind of things, that kind of thinking should be there. For some of you, definitely you have a lot of you might have gone through a lot of failures in your life. Because of that, you are thinking like this. You need to let go of that thinking. Or maybe your parents have like in the past, they might have compared you with other kids, and because of that you feel like that you're not worthy or something like that. You need to let go of that also. You are worthy, guys. You can do whatever divine is saying you can do. You have, with this brown color key also, I feel you are meant to have a good life, have a stable life with all the materialistic things you want. You can buy that, right? But definitely your mind is like little bit, there is a lot of things that is not needed. Lot of maybe through other people you got a lot of thoughts that is not good for you. You need to filter it out. Sometimes people give us advice, and that advice might not be healthy for us, right? And you might have taken that advice, and that is not helping you in any way. Maybe it's that person's negativity. So you need to organize your mind. Okay, that is what very cluttered energy I'm feeling here. You might be trying to do so many things at the same time, and it will not work, right? Because you feel like that if you do only one thing, you might fail in that. That's why you're doing the other thing also. So there is a lot of that kind of energy where I don't know how to say this, but like a lot of thinking is going, and you don't know at the end of the day, you don't know what you need to do also. So it's important that you focus on one thing and do that. That is when you will be able to have success, and let go of that worries, let go of that guilt, let go of that past failures also. Okay, and for some of you, definitely there are people around you who are like not so good and making you feel like that you're good for nothing. You need to let go of that kind of people also. Okay. Okay, yeah. Envy. Okay, for some of you, definitely this might be an obstacle. If you envy other people, if you envy other success, and if you look at the social media and, oh my god, they are so successful, when I will be successful, like that kind of energy will not help you in your growth. Okay, so you need to let go of that energy also. That will be a hindrance to your success. So if you want to be successful, you need to, you should know that you are worthy. You are unique the way you are. You came, you are in this world for a reason. Okay, that's why you are here. That's why your soul is here, right? So remember that, and don't compare yourself to anyone else. Remember that you are good the way you are. You are beautiful the way you are. You are unique the way you are. You are meant to do something different. Okay, you are not here to do the same things other people are doing. You are not meant to live the same life that other people are living. You're meant to have your own passion. You are meant to have your own life. When you believe in yourself, when you let that guilt out of you, when you are not comparing yourself to anyone else, and remember that the other people also have challenges, right? They also have different challenges. They have also gone through a lot in their life. You feel oh, their life is so easy. No, we don't know. We just see the success. We don't see the whole picture, right? So you need to know that everyone goes through their ups and downs. You also have your up and down, right? So remember that, and don't envy anyone else. Just believe in yourself. Be confident in yourself. You need to work on your solar plexus. Here I'm getting, you need to work on your self-confidence. Or for some of you, it's even the sacral chakra I'm getting, where you are, you know, maybe you have this your relationship with your parents might not be good. Maybe you had you know, not so good relationship in the past. Maybe because of that, maybe they had compared you to other people, and because of that you have lack of confidence. You need to work on that. That is what I'm getting. When you work on that, when you don't compare yourself to other people and let go. And if you're comparing constantly, if you're comparing a person constantly on social media, please unfollow them, okay? When you put that energy, you know, that is what it comes. You know, you are experiencing lack at that time, and when you experience lack, the lack manifests. You have to know that. So that you need to organize your mind. Maybe you need to organize your social media accounts, right? You need to organize something in your life. What is it, guys? Okay, remember that. Here, group number 3. What else for group number 3? Okay, oh my god, look, phases and cycle. There is a beginning with every ending. Illusions are revealed and released. So you are getting a new phase. You are starting a new cycle here, okay? So remember, you know, so be confident, okay? Whenever an opportunity is coming, just be confident and take charge, okay? Go with it. Don't doubt yourself at that time, okay? And I feel for many of you, you are ending a cycle, okay? But you need to work on yourself here. With this envy card and guilt card, you need to work on that. Don't compare, as I said before. And definitely, when you release these things, when these, you know, these are all, you know, illusions are revealed and released. Maybe for some of you, you're getting clarity about it. You're understanding that. You are understanding that you're unique, you know. You are understanding that our elders can also be wrong sometimes, okay? Maybe that is your understanding that you're loving yourself. For some of you, you have to you know, self-love is very important for you guys. I feel like that, okay? Release at the time of full moon. That is what I'm getting. You need to do a lot of releasing of that past hurts, you know, in your childhood. Maybe in your subconscious mind that is planted, maybe that is stopping your success, okay? You need to release a lot of things that is not helping you in any form. Maybe a lot of failure you have experienced, and because of that your parents might have compared you to other people, or maybe in relationship you have felt left out. That is what you have to release now. You have to feel empowered. But I feel you will be ending this cycle, okay? But you need to release at this full moon. Whenever full moon comes, just write your emotions down, and I feel it's like put it in the fire and believe in yourself, okay? Believe in your path. Remember that you are unique, you are loved, divine loves you, okay? You are good the way you are. Whatever other people says, you know, don't trust them. Believe in yourself. You came here for a reason. No one is like you. You can't become anyone else. You are unique, right? You need to remember that. I'm getting here, okay? Yeah, that is what I'm feeling for you guys. Oh wow, we have this higher power. Oh, they are telling you need to connect with the higher power. You need to connect with your higher self. Yeah, there is no connection with your higher self. You are not even trusting your intuition. You don't trust your intuition. You don't trust yourself. You don't believe in yourself. You don't have that confidence to move forward. You just keep on comparing with other people yourself. If you're doing that, just stop, guys, because this is not helping you in any way or form, okay? If it's resonating to you guys, I have to say this. So remember the higher power. You know, you can make a connection with yourself. You know, I feel you have no connection with your higher self. Are you meditating? So I feel for some of you, you need to start a meditation practice, okay? That will be very, very important for you guys. And yeah, that is what it is. Maybe for some of you, you are envying the relationship of other people's life, and that will not take you anywhere. So that is what here you need to connect with yourself. You know, you need to connect with your own identity. You need to connect with you, guys. You need to believe in yourself that yes, you can have a good life. You can also have success. You need to believe in that. You need to believe that yes, I am also here for a reason. I am also unique. I can do. I also have a soul purpose, and just go with it. Go within. It will take time. It will take time. But when you're self-disciplined, when you believe in the good things, that is when the magic will happen, right? You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in the moon. You need to believe in that moon energy, because moon cycles are very important for you guys. I feel you can release easily at the time when it's like full moon, and we had new moon, right? Just during new moons and full moons, manifest, okay? Connect with yourself, meditate when it's full moon, just sit with that energy, go out, see the moon, right? Energy, connect with that energy, that will help you a lot in your success, in your path, whatever. Because I feel you're like feeling very down this pile. I don't know why I'm getting that energy where you're feeling very down, where you're feeling like nothing is working your way, because you're not believing in yourself, okay? And you're like, when will things happen? And don't give that much importance to time, because time, I don't feel it's time is important here. The thing is important whether you are getting up and doing the thing from your part, whether you are doing something for yourself today, whether you are eating a healthy meal, whether you are exercising, whether you are saying few good words to yourself, right? Whether you are encouraging yourself, whether you are following your passion. What are you doing? Okay, that is what is important. You need to make a connection with yourself. When was the last time you laughed? When was the last time you laughed, like a child? Yeah, that is also important. You need to laugh more. You need to dance. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. You need to connect with yourself. Dance, sing, do something that you like, okay? That is what I'm getting here. You need to do that. And when you do that, when you connect with yourself, things will turn for you. The cycle will end and things will, new beginnings, you will see the opportunity. Now you're like so closed off, because you need to work on this. And when you do that, then only you will see the success. That is what I'm feeling here. Let's see what else for you guys. Group number 3. Yeah, justice. Look, we have the justice card. Look, interestingly, justice, like 1 + 1 is 2, and 2 of cups energy. Things will come, things will be balanced, but you need to connect with yourself. So if you felt injustice have happened for you guys, justice will come, things will come to you. But karma, maybe you're releasing a lot. I'm getting, you need to release during full moons and new moons. You need to release the things that is not helping for you guys, because I feel things will come towards you. Good relationship, whatever you want in your life, you can have it with this 2 of cups. Things coming together, your divine masculine, divine feminine energy coming together. I can see that you will get the justice wherever you felt that you had this injustice. You will get divine will give you everything, but you need to connect with yourself. You need to believe in yourself. You need to make that necessary change within yourself. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so let's see the last card. Everything will be okay for you guys, but you need to believe in yourself. You need to love yourself. Self-love. There is no self-love here. Don't say bad things to yourself. Don't do that. It is bad. Don't do that. Say good things about yourself. Write 5 good things about yourself daily in your journal, okay? And believe in it, okay? That is what I'm getting here. And just meditate. That will help you a lot. I would say that. You need to quiet your mind, guys. You need to get organized. What else? Yeah, oh God, yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, definitely. If you I feel you will cross, it's time for healing, connecting, mending and releasing. Yeah, it's time for releasing. It's time for releasing the past baggage. When you release that, that is when you will cross this bridge, and that is when you will get the success. You're going through a healing process. It's very painful. Yeah, it's very painful, right? You have to release the things, the past, the things that are inside your subconscious mind. It's the time for doing that. It's time for healing. It's time for connecting with yourself, right? It's time to release the thing that is not good for you. It's time. You can only do that, okay? It's time for releasing. It's time for healing. It's time to move forward with your life. You are here. You're here, but you need to work on yourself. You need to work on self-love. You need to release the things that is not helping you in any form. Connect with yourself, connect with the divine, do meditation, do prayer, okay, do a spiritual routine, make a spiritual routine, make an altar, I would say, that will help you to connect, okay. That will be very helpful. Light a candle, and just connect. That will help you a lot. And believe, as I said, write 5 good things about yourself in the journal, or write the things that is making you very, very stressed, and let it go, okay. That will help you a lot, okay. When you do that and stop doing that, and declutter, as I said, your social media account, if you have, the thing that is not giving you good, if you are not feeling good when you see something, unfollow it, right. If you see a person very happy, and you feel, and you are not happy in their happiness, that means it's not good, right. So you need to let go of that kind of thing. But I see a good thing, I feel the energies are coming to, they are balancing. You will get this balance, but you need to work on it. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. And when you work on yourself, when you love yourself, when you let that past baggage go, when you don't envy anyone, you change your perception about things, when you believe, trust in yourself, when you trust in the divine, and remember the good things will come to you. Remember that when you focus on that, use I am affirmations, positive affirmations, that will be very helpful for you guys in your success. But remember, you will get the justice, but you need to do a little bit work. You need to love yourself. Your self-talk should be good. You should talk nicely to yourself. Do dancing, singing, something that you like. Enjoy life and do something that you're passionate about. Sometimes we just stress and stress and stress, and that will not take you anywhere. This guilt will not take you anywhere. That is where you need to organize yourself, need to organize your thinking patterns, need to organize that. That is very important. And don't expect, sometimes we expect things from other people. Now it's the time to expect from yourself. Do something for yourself. That is when you will achieve the success. That is the key to success, okay. That is what I'm getting for group number 3, guys. So let's see what is your chance. Yeah, okay. Look at that. The key is within you. The key is within you, okay. The key is with this divine here. We have this blue color. This is the trusting your own higher self, connecting with your own higher self, or connecting with the divine. The key is within you. You know the answers. You need to make the change. You need to love yourself, okay. Yeah, look, we have this this is like abundance will come to you. Love will come to you when you believe in yourself, when you trust yourself, because all the answers are locked inside you. You need to connect with yourself. Then only it will unlock, right. That is what, everything is inside you. You are searching it outside, but all the answers are inside you. That is what you're saying. You need to fix that. You need to release things. You need to work on yourself. You need some things. You need to fix your emotions, guys. That is when you will have success. Look, the key, you have a lot of creative ideas also. Are you working on your creative ideas? And with the sunrise, new day will happen. This is not going to be your life, okay. When you work on yourself, I'm sure things will, the sun is gonna rise for you guys, right. Look, angel, you have this. You need to write your own song. What for some of you, I feel you're expecting from other people. No, it's time to expect from yourself. Do something for yourself. Connect with yourself, okay. We have L. We have 9. Yes, definitely a cycle is definitely ending. I feel many of you are healing, but you need to work also, okay. You need to work. If you're working, you're doing good. Just keep on working on yourself, because you have all the answers within yourself. Trust yourself. But I feel this pile has a lot of problem trusting, right. So that is what I'm seeing. Your mind sometimes is very, very, very messy. A lot of thinking going on. So you need to write it down. When you're feeling very messy, just write it down. And when you are having a creative idea, write it down. Write it down. Writing, I feel writing will help you a lot. While writing, you will be able to release or speak it up. Talk to the divine, talk to yourself. It's not so crazy. Just talk to yourself. Say things, good things to yourself. That is what I'm getting here. You need to release it. Look for, you will get the stability, you will get, but everything is inside, you are searching outside. Don't do that. But yeah, you're healing, guys. I see that you will be able to connect when you, if you try, if you make a meditation practice, you will be able to do that. Okay, definitely you will cross that bridge. You will cross that bridge and you will move forward in your life, right? But little bit changes have to be made, right? Okay, so let's see. CEOGHEE. Oh, ghee. God. Okay, RTCI. Okay. Yeah, we have zero. Start from zero. You need to start from zero. New things are coming your way. You need to have to start from scratch. You need to start, you know. Yeah, I feel like this pile has to start from start from scratch. Don't be afraid to do that. Now it's like a new life for you guys, where you are loving yourself, you're releasing so many things, releasing your past, and now no more past. Just keep on moving forward. Start from zero. You know, you're at your start, and now just let go of all the things that is stopping you and believe and move forward with your life, because in the future I see success for you guys. You know, when you believe in yourself, when you work on yourself, when you trust the divine, when you trust yourself, when you trust your own guidance, that is when things will happen. When you trust yourself, when you trust your creativity, when you expect from yourself, not from others. Okay, that is also coming here strong, because I feel you have been disappointed a lot in your life. Okay, now it's the time to expect from yourself and do something for yourself, right? Whatever the scenario is, start from scratch. Don't be afraid to start from scratch. Okay, you can make it happen. You know, that is what I'm getting here for you guys. Okay, anything else? Okay. I don't know, I'm getting the reset, restart, you know, where, you know, restart something, reset it or format it, like that kind of energy. You have to do that for your life. That is when you will like move forward. Start again. Don't be afraid to start again. And I'm getting that here. Don't be afraid to learn something new, okay? I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm getting here for you guys. Okay. Oh, I don't know why I'm getting this tech. Yeah, tech. Yeah, tech. So someone wants to learn something about technology, or maybe you can connect, you know, maybe technology will give you a lot of success. Maybe that path will give you a lot of success. I'm getting here. It's like a very specific message I'm getting here. Maybe like coding or something. If you're interested in that, start from scratch, learn. If you want to learn, just go ahead and give it a try. That is what I'm getting here. Like, yeah, technology. Or maybe you are that and now you have lost touch and you don't know where to start. Just start from scratch. Whatever it is, start from the bottom. You know, you have to start from the bottom and you will build it. You will build it. Don't be afraid. Go for it. Yeah, we have this go here. Go for it, right? We have it also, but we don't have an F, but definitely, yeah. Okay, go for it. Just go for it, right? Get it. Like, yeah, we have get it. Go and get it. It's time. Just move forward. Go and get it. Don't stop. Don't be afraid to start from scratch. Just go and do it. Now it's the time for movement. It's time to start something from scratch. It's time to work on yourself. It's time to work on your own emotions. It's time to release the past. It's time to work for your future and be in the present moment. Okay, it's time to meditate. It's time to believe in yourself. It's time to it's time to be happy. It's not, don't be like this, if I get that, then only I will be happy. No, you can be happy today. There is, you just start today. Start it now. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Started now. That is what divine wants you to know. Start. Don't be in that energy. Okay, that is what I'm feeling for you guys. You need to start now. Don't be afraid to start from scratch. Don't be afraid from start from zero. Okay, bye bye. Take care, guys.